If men will get wives in heaven, what will women get? Apart from this, whose wife will be the girl who died a virgin in heaven? This is a question that is seen a lot nowadays, not only by women, but often our brothers are also seen asking this question. Today we are going to tell you the answer to the same question. If a righteous woman is married, she will live with her heavenly husband in heaven and will be the leader of the whores that her husband receives. And Allah will make this woman the most beautiful and beautiful of all of them. And those husband and wife will fall in love with each other. And if a woman has many husbands in the world, that is, if a woman has married a second time after her husband's death or divorce, that is, if this woman has had 2 or more marriages, then she will live with one of her husbands in paradise. There are various traditions and sayings about this. That such a woman will be given the option to adopt the one with whom she is more compatible, or that woman will stay with the last husband. Peace be upon him said that the woman will get her last husband. Similarly, it was stated in another place that the woman will stay with the husband who has treated her with good morals in the world, and the husband who has wronged the woman and harassed her will be deprived of this woman. It is in a hadith of Hazrat Salma, may Allah be pleased with her, that she asked the Prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, that if someone has 2 husbands, with whom will she live in paradise? So the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, she will be given the option that she can live with any husband, and he said, whoever behaved well with her in this world, and he will be her husband in paradise. O Salama Radi Allah Ta'ala Anha will take the good of this world and the hereafter with good morals. And if the woman is a virgin, i.e. she died before her marriage, or if she is married, but her husband is not in paradise, then she should be married to any man she likes in paradise. And if he does not like anyone among the present people, then Allah Almighty will create for him a man in paradise.